I just want to say hi to everyone who's here with me right now. Marami pong salamat sa palagiang support as I wasn't able to do my live streaming last night dahil meron pong ganap sa pamilya. Yan. Isi-share ko lang. Hi! Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Magandang gabi po sa lahat ng nandyan. So I wasn't able to have my live streaming last night dahil po meron pong ganap dito sa amin. So yung 28th death anniversary po ng aking lolo, mother side. Yan. Kaya po, hindi ako nagpag-live. So gusto ko po sana magpasalamat sa inyo dahil konting kembot na lang po. Makukuha ko na po yung 60,000 watch hours. So I started with, dati kasi nag 40k na ako, tapos hindi na ako nakapag-live ulit. So bumalik siya sa 3,000. So kung bibilangin ko kung ilang beses ako nag-live this June, siguro hindi pa umabot ng 10 beses. Pero nasa 36k na po siya. So more than halfway na po ako. Marami pong salamat sa suporta ninyo. Thank you for sharing my live streaming videos. Marami pong salamat. Sana makuha ko na po bago pa man mag-end yung bakasyon. Sana lang makuha ko yon bago mag-end yung bakasyon. Parang mas maganda yung pwesto niya dito. Kaso lang, parang babalik ko siya dito. Kasi mas maganda yung pwesto niya dito. Okay. That's better. Mas maganda siya dyan. Ibabalik ko to dito sa kabila. Kasi, ito, naka-charge yung isang microphone. Chargeable po kasi itong ginagamit ko kasi ayoko nang bumili ng maraming battery. So, ang dami din ganap today. What did you do? Kaninang umaga, galing pa akong LTO kasi nag-renew ako ng driver's license. Tapos, at 6 o'clock, I had to attend another session kasi yan nga, nagmamasteral po tayo sa PNU. So, yung chapter 1 ko, chinek ng ng advisor ko. So, buti na lang natapos naman. And the feedback is good. So, I have to proceed to my chapter 2 na. Sulat tayo ulit. Hindi ko masyadong kondisyon yung ko ngayon. Hi. Since you've been gone, loneliness surrounds me. You'll find me waiting there, just in case you change your mind. Give me, mahina ang signal natin, a chance. Ibabalik ko lang ha. Sa'yo ko naman napuputol. Since you've been gone, Ibabalik ko lang, yun bang stream ko muna siya halfway bago ko siya i-play para hindi ko siya mabukol. Pati pala mouse, nagluko na rin. Needs charging. Yan, i-charge ko din muna pala yung mouse. Kasi pati pala mouse needs to be recharged. Hello ma'am, watching from Dubai. Marami pong salamat sir, Fernando Ampong, Kevin Amisola. Kung alam ko po yung kanta, Unchained Melody, Alexander Labajo. Elma Ramos watching from Cagayan de Oro City. Sige, una ko na lang kantahin yung Unchained Melody. Unchained Melody Karaoke. Hanapin mo natin si Unchained Melody. Dito tayo sa acoustic. Baka sakaling hindi tayo mahuli sa copyright. Kanina yung in-upload kong Matod Nila, copyrighted yun. Pinutol ko na nga. From a live stream na nga. Pero ano pa din. And time goes by so slowly, and time can do so much. Are you still mine? Your love, I need your love. Godspeed, your love to me. Rivers flow to the sea, to the sea, to the open arms of the sea. Yeah. Lonely riverside, wait for me, wait for me. I'll be coming home, wait for me. And time goes by so slowly, and time can do so much. Are you still mine? I need Josie De Guzman, Magbuhos. Magandang gabi po. Loni Pavilion, watching from Taguig City. Manny Cadalena Bueva, thank you so much. Ma'am Elma Ramos, watching from Cagayan de Oro City. Ronald Wet, hello, thank you for watching. Bobby Ortega, thank you. Kirby Abisola, kung alam ko po yung kanta, sir. Thank you so much for being with me. Medyo maganda sana itong sa acoustic, pero medyo siya. It's just a bit slow for me. Tears in Heaven. Ang lalim pala ng kantang ito, no? Kanta pala ito ni Eric Clapton para sa kanyang anak na namatay. Would you know my name if I saw you in heaven? Would it be the same if I saw you in heaven? I must be strong and carry on, 'cause I know I don't belong here in heaven. Would you hold my hand if I saw you in heaven? Would you help me stand if I saw you in heaven? I'll find my way through night and day, 'cause I know I just can't stay here in heaven. Time can bring you down, time can bend your knees. Time can break your heart, have you begging please, begging please. So this song is dedicated to everyone who has lost someone along the way. So ganito talaga yung buhay. Beyond the door, there's peace, I'm sure. And I know there'll be no more tears in heaven. Napakaganda ng kantang ito. Would you know my name if I saw you in heaven? Would it be the same if I saw you in heaven? I must be strong and carry on, 'cause I know I don't belong is a nice song pala. Para po sa mahilig magtago dyan, sana huwag po tayong matrending. Kasi may trending issue tayo ngayon. She knows when I'm lonesome. She cries when I'm sad. She's up in the good times. She's down in her bed. Whenever I'm discouraged, she knows just what to do. But girl, she doesn't know about you. I can tell her my troubles. She makes them all seem right. I can make up excuses not to hold her at night. We can talk of tomorrow. I'll tell her things that I wanna do. But girl, how can I tell her about you? How can I tell her about you? Girl, please tell me what to do. Everything seems right whenever I'm with you. So girl, won't you tell me? Slow connection. How to tell her about you. Oh. Pause muna natin. Ito po yung kapag medyo saturated na yung ating internet connectivity. Napuputol po tayo. Whenever I'm away, how can I say it's you I think of every single night and day? But when is it easy telling someone we're through? Oh girl, help me tell her about you. How can I tell her about you? Girl, please tell me what to do. Oh, everything seems right whenever I'm with you. So girl, won't lagi na tayo putulan ng ng connection. Grabe naman itong internet na to, pahamak eh. Pag-share po ng aking live stream. Marami pong salamat, pasuhin po. Turn me loose. Hanap ako ng ibang doon ako sa Covers PH. Covers PH karaoke. Kasi mas maganda yung nila. Mas maganda tong yung mga accompaniment nila. Ito. Sino po dyan ang iniiwan? Ikaw ba yan na naniniyo sa Saan nagsimula magbago ang lahat? Kailan nung ako'y di na naging sapat? Ba't di mo sinabi nung una pa lang ako ang kailangan? Pero di ang mahal. Saan nagkulang ang aking pagmamahal? Lahat ay binigay ng mapangiti ka lang. Ba't di ko nakita na ayaw mo na ako ang kasama? Pero hanap mo siya. At kung masaya ka sa piling niya, hindi na pipili pa. Ang tanging hiling ko lang sa kanya, huwag kang paluhain at alagaan kanya. Saan natigil ang pagiging totoo? Sa tuwing mababanggit na mahal mo ako, ba't di mo inamin na merong iba? Ako ang kayakap, pero isip mo siya. At kung masaya ka sa piling niya, hindi ko na pipili pa. Ang tanging hiling ko lang sa kanya. Tarangan nato ni kay Brad. Strain kayo kung tingog. My voice is not as crisp tonight. Bukas na lang kita mamahalin. Hindi ko kakayanin sa kayo po, sir. I could feel the strain on my voice tonight. Not at its best condition po. Kasi pagod na pagod. sa halos pong araw na paghihintay na ma-renew yung aking license, alam niyo na. Tapos, Jesosa Chong, hello! Hello ma'am, Edgar Manalo. Yung bukas na lang kita mamahalin, kakantahin ko siya kung, kung medyo okay na yung boses. Sa ngayon, alam ko hindi ko kakayanin. So I'm going to stick to those songs that I know are safe for me right now. So si Ma'am Jesusa Chong is watching from London. Marami pong salamat sa panonood, Ma'am. Maraming salamat po. Hello, Evangeline Mendoza Core. Thank you. Babalikan ko muna yung mga kanta ng ating mga mothers at saka yung ating mga fathers. Kasi dati itong paubaya, kaya ko itong kantahin. But as of tonight, wala talaga sa kondisyon yung boses ko. Tapos, ewan ko kung meron ba akong nakain. Hindi. Talagang hindi pala, alam ko pala kung ano nakain ko. Kumain pala ako kanina ng mango float. So, I could not eat flour-based products na po. Just 2 weeks ago, napansin ko na kapag kumakain ako ng anything flour-based, nag-allergic reaction po ako. So, since January, I've had allergic flare-ups na hindi ko alam kung ano yung cause. So, I tried to really become conscious ko na yung kinakain ko. Tapos, isa-isa kong inalis yung mga kinakain ko. Tapos, there was one time that I noticed na yung araw na yun, I was supposed to sing at a wedding. Tapos, yung araw na yun, yung kinain ko lang is yun bang tinapay at saka yun bang bangki sa amin sa Bisaya. Yung bihon at saka yung pansit na kinukumbine. Nag-clear up ako. So, binaliwala ko yun. Akala ko, it's either the tinapay or the pansit. Tapos nawala siya. Nag-take ako ng antihistamine at saka steroids. Nawala siya sa prednisone at saka sa cetirizine. Ngayon, meron na naman akong nakita na bread. Kumain ako ulit. Yan. After 15 minutes, nagsimula na namang mamantal-pantal yung mga pula. So that's when I realized na hindi na talaga pala ako pwede sa flour-based products. Biscuits, hindi na ako pwede dyan. Cakes, no, I could not eat that anymore. Wala na. Kaysa magsasuffer pa ako, alam ko na naman kung ano yung mga lasa nun. Kaya, kanina, kumain ako, sinadya ko talagang kumain ng mango float. Merong Graham's doon. Magandang gabi, Sir Tomo Debo Kadibot. I only live to love you. Sir Edgar Manalo, hindi na po ako umiinom ng malamig na tubig. Kasi pansin ko po kapag palagi akong umiinom ng malamig na tubig, nasal po yung boses ko. Parang dito dumadaan sa ilong. So, matagal na po akong hindi umiinom ng tubig na malamig. Gandang gabi po, Sir Cesar Aquino, Sir Abel Nunez Raniola. Sige, tingnan natin kung kakayanin ko kaya itong I Only Live to Love You. So I was able to sing this song the other night. So in fact, ito yung kanta ko yun, yung I Only Live to Love You. Yun yung in-upload ko as a short form video kaninang alas 6. Kasi medyo mataas siya para sa akin sa gabing ito. So I'm going to choose Eddie Peregrina songs muna. Para safe muna tayo. Mag-Eddie Peregrina muna ako. Tawagin niyo muna si Lolo, si Lola. Kasi paboritong kanta nila ito Sila muna yung pa-enjoyin natin. Winifredo Balonzo Senior from Legazpi City, Albay. Thank you so much for watching, sir. Ito. Malilimutan ko pa ba aking mahal ang maligayang araw nating nagdaan habang ako'y nag-iisa nalulumbay Malilimutan ko pa ba aking mahal ang maligayang araw nating nagdaan habang ako'y nag-iisa nalulumbay ang alaala ay ikaw. Hello everyone, Mami Susa, yung apartment number 9, hindi ko po alam. Siguro pamilyar ko yung kanta, pero parang, aaralin ko po muna. Maraming pong salamat. Kapag ikaw ang umibig at saka masawi, di ko ba daramdamin ito tulad ng pagdaramdam ko sa iyo? At kung ito ay siyang tunay na mangyayari sa puso mo, ay baka naisip mo pa maglaho sa mundo? Gabi at araw ay lagi na lang ako ay nagdarasal, at ang dalangin ko sa may kapal, sana'y mabalik ang hirap. At kung ikaw ay wala na at tayo ay di na magkita, mga bakas ng lumipas sinta ay lagi kong alaala. Gabi at araw ay lagi na lang ako ay nagdarasal, at ang dalangin ko sa may kapal, sana'y mabalik ang hirap. At kung ikaw ay wala na at tayo ay di na magkita, mga bakas ng lumipas sinta ay lagi kong alaala. Mga bakas ng lumipas ay lagi kong alaala. Mami Susa, assignment ko po yung apartment number 9. May nakita akong request ni Mayang Nahunlag. Medyo mataas po siya sa akin ngayon. My voice is so strained po. I feel the pressure po talaga. Kaya I am choosing safe songs as of this live stream. Tapos, meron na po akong maraming uploads na himayang nahunlak sa aking page. Kaya feel na feel ko po yung strain sa aking ano. Kaya namimili po ako ng mga kanta ni Eddie Peregrina. Good evening, Christian Ponce. Dong, hello Dong. Estudyante yun ako ni sa unang taon si Dodong Christian. Torno, diba? Lubi, Kalibot. Hello, Noralia, Belen Largo. Good morning, ma. Good evening, ma'am. Just another woman in love. Sige. Medyo taas-taas ba yan ni Dong? Mura siya, huwag mura ko. Sige, kani siya, kaya-kaya na ni. Just another woman in love. Ang guhit ng palad, sir, alam ko hindi ko kakayanin. Mataas po yung guhit ng palad. Maybe next time, kung hindi na po masyadong strain yung aking boses. It's so strained. So, nakakabisado ko na po kung kailan ko kakayanin yung matataas. So, there was, hindi ko alam kung anong araw yon. Maybe it was Tuesday or Monday, nung feel na feel kong ibirin yung mga kanta ng ABBA. Talagang hindi ko yan kakayanin ngayon. Next time, maybe, itong mga medyo good evening, Day! Regards ko nilang mama ni mo from Tubod. Strong and sure, I'm in control. A lady with a flame. Believing the life is a neat little package I hold in my hand. I've got it together, they call me the girl who knows just what to say and do. Still I fumble and fall right into the wall. 'Cause when it comes to you, I'm just another woman in love. Kid out of school, fire out of control, just another fool. You touch me and I'm weak, I'm a feather in the wind, and I can't wait to feel you touching me again. With you I'm just another woman in love. So pardon me if I should stay and tremble like a child. Wanting your love all over your face is driving me wild. I'm just what you make me, can't wait till you take me and set all my feelings free. I know that you can, so come be my man. Tonight I wanna be just another woman. Get out of school, fire out of control, just another fool. You touch me and I'm weak, I'm a feather in the wind, and I can't wait to feel you touching me again. With you I'm just another woman in love. Just another woman in love. Get out of school, fire out of control, just another fool. You touch me and I'm weak, I'm a feather in the wind, and I can't wait to feel you touching me again. With you I'm just another woman in love. Paano kaya siya? Para siyang na ano? Ha? Maghanap ako ng ibang kanta. Sige. Nasimulan ko na si Anne Murray. Paborito ko to si Amore. Siya pala. She is one of my vocal influences. Kasi ganda, gustong gusto ko yung singing style ni Anne Murray. Kaso, hindi ko makanta-kanta yung mga sikat niyang kanta, hindi ko ma-upload sa aking page. Kasi mainit sa copyright. Itong You're a Part of Me, ilang beses ko na itong in-upload, pero palagi kong nadidelete. This is popularized by Anne Murray. You're a Part of Me. I'd like to leave out all of my dreams, and if I could, yes, if I could, the nicest one would be with you, and you'd be here with me. Don't you ever get lonely, Lord, I'm no good when you're away. But what do you expect from a girl who loves you like I love you? Won't you ever just get tired and come on home to me? Don't you ever get lonely? You're a part of me that I can't do without. You're a part of me the dreams are all about. But you can't hold on to something that you've never had before. Love waits for the wind to bring you back again and take you away. Friends say it's great, now you're a star, but what do they expect from a girl who loves you just the way you were? Late at night I wish things had never changed and you were here with me. Don't you ever get lonely? You're a part of me that I can't do without. You're a part of me that dreams are all about. But you can't hold into something that you've never had before. Love waits for the wind to bring you back again, take you away. Take you away. Honey, I love you. Take me away. Marami pong salamat. May nabasa ko kanina na Julio Agcupra Otero. Yeah, watching from Don Carlos Bukidnon. Mario Mejorada, maraming salamat. Robert Sison Mejia, thank you so much. Maraming salamat po, Sir. Cesar Aquino, Sir Denny Sandales, thank you so much. Marami pong salamat. Anne Murray, another song ni Anne Murray. If I Ever Fall in Love Again. Solo ko to, wala akong kapartner ngayon. You, I know you're everything that I've been looking for. And I look into your eyes and couldn't ask for more. So it's only fair to lay it on the line. Hold on, I'm gonna need a little time. But if I ever fall in love again, sometimes when this broken heart can bear, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through, though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again, scared, I guess I'm scared of life. It's such a long way down, and in the end, if you just trust in me, I'm sure I come around. And I know when you're hurt, it's hard to let someone inside. In your arms I feel I'm ready now to try. Oh, so if I ever fall in love again, sometimes when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through, though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again, be fool to ever let you go. You're the best thing in my life, when I know I'm gonna take it slow. Whoa, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through, though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again, if I ever fall in love again, ikaw ang iibigin ko, Jos Garcia na song yan. Nasa page ko na po yan, sir. I think I have uploaded that song 3 times already. Yung Mahal Pa Lang Kita ni April Boy, hindi ko talaga, I may be familiar with the song, pero parang hindi ko pa siya kabisado talaga. Eto. May gabi, Sis Naing Tamayo. Hello. Para po sa mga in-love dyan. Dreaming, I must be dreaming, or am I really lying here with you? Baby, you take me in your arms, Pumili po ako ng yung medyo, may nag-request kagabi ng kanta ito. You May Believe Again by Janet Pasco. OPM. You showed me the way, and now I finally found my home in you. You still recall the times I've been through, confused and didn't know what to do. But you gave me heart. You made me strong as the days went on. You made me believe again. I was lost in the dark with my lonely broken heart. You made me believe again. I was lost in the dark with my lonely broken heart. Then you came along, you took me home and made me your own. Look at me, yes, a different me, back on my feet again. I'm not afraid to face the world again, 'cause you taught me how to be strong. You made me believe again. You made me believe again. Hindi ko po maano kaya yung request ni Ma'am Liza Rojas. That's what friends are for. Nanay Benita, thank you so much for watching. Sir Carlos Latombe, thank you so much. Sige. Hanapin natin si That's What Friends Are For. Ewan ko lang kung kaya nito. Dayan Warwick ito yun. Medyo mano ito. Sis Belle. Maganda pong gabi from Albar, Batangas. Nanay Benita Matugas Argente. Ronnie Diahedor. Thank you so much. God bless you. This is for all the friends who are watching now. Thank you. And I never thought I'd feel this way. And as far as I'm concerned, smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for good times and bad times. I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Well, you came and opened me, and now there's so much more I see. And so by the way, I thank you open then for the times when we grew apart. Well, then close your eyes and know these words are coming from my heart. And then if you can remember, oh, keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for. In good times and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. Oh, that's what friends are for. Keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for. For good times and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Can always count on me, oh for sure. Guess I tell you that's what friends are for. For good times and for bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. Oh, that's what friends are for. Hello, Life Vlogs from Bangladesh. Thank you so much for watching my live stream, and thank you so much for sharing my videos. Thank you. Talagang I could feel the strain in my voice. Ramdam na ramdam ko po. Hindi ako makabirit, hindi ako makabungga. Parang merong ganito, parang merong nakaharang sa aking lalamunan na ewan ko kung ano. Ayoko na po munang ayoko na po munang mag-take ng prednisone. I've had 5 milligrams already. Ayoko na dagdagan. Kasi namamanas ko yung yung mukha ko kapag palagi akong umiinom ng prednisone. Wala naman ako magagawa kasi kapag nag-flare up ako, yan lang nakakatulong sa akin. The only thing that I can do now is to really be... Ayan. Ito na lang. Kakantahin ko na lang si Anne Moray. Save songs muna. I cried a tear, you wiped it dry. I was confused, you cleared my mind. I sold my soul, you bought it back from me. upon a pedestal, so high that I could almost see eternity. It needed me, it needed me, and I can't believe it's you, I can't believe it's true. I needed you, and you were there, and I'll never leave. Why should I leave? I'd be full, 'cause I finally found someone who really cares. You held my hand when it was cold, when I was lost. You took me home, you gave me hope. When I was out there, it turned my life back into truth again. You even called me friend, you gave me strength to stand alone again, to face the world and on my own again. You moved me high upon a pedestal, so high that I could almost see eternity. You needed me, you needed me, you needed me, you needed me. Thank you so much, Felipe Dumandan. Thank you, Nanay Benita. Thank you, Sis Benita, Dekit, Emma, Dekit, Montilla. Thank you so much. Maghanap na po tayo ng ibang kanta dito. Ito. Para sa may pagdududa, mga may duda sa lately, Stevie Wonder. Lately I have had this strangest feeling, with no vivid reason here to find. Yet the thought of losing you's been hanging round my mind. Far more frequently you're wearing perfume. We say no special place to go, but when I ask will you be coming back soon, you don't know. Sir Aquino. Isang beses pa lang po ako nakapunta ng Batangas, Sir Cesar. I had been to Batangas one time. Doon dyan kami nag-check-in sa One Tagaytay Hotel kasi ano yung kasal po ng aking kapatid. We stayed for 3 or 4 days. My sister-in-law is from Bawan, Batangas. Yan. Carlos Lumabel, hello. Marami pong salamat sa mga comments, for leaving me kind comments. Marami pong salamat sa inyo. Nick TV is watching from Mindanao, Philippines. Thank you so much. Anything goes. Napipili lang po muna ako ng mga safe na kanta kasi hindi po kakayanin yung mga medyo challenging ngayon. Medyo challenging naman itong ano. Kung lalaki ang kakanta sa mga kanta ni Stevie Wonder, pero each wise kakayanin ko lang. Over time, I've been building my castle of love, just for two. Though you never knew you were my reason, I've gone much too far for you not to say that I've got to throw my castle away over trees. I have picked out the perfect come true. Though you never knew it was of you I was dreaming. The Sandman has come from too far away for you to say come back some other day. And though you don't believe that they do come true. For did my dreams come true when I looked at you? And maybe too if you would believe, you too might be overjoyed over love, over me. Over hearts I have faithfully turned every stone, just to find I have found what I've searched to discover. I've come much too far for me now to find the love that I thought can never be mine. And though they don't believe that they do come true. For did my dreams come true when I looked at you? And maybe too if you would believe, you too might be overjoyed over love, over me. Though the odds are improbable, what do they know? For in romance, or true love needs is a chance. And maybe with a chance you will find you too like I, overjoyed over love, over you. Over you. Nakakalito itong mga kanta ni Stevie Wonder, yung transitions po ng kanyang pitch. Yan bang nakakawala po siya. po. Dalawa po kaming may concert ngayon. Yung aking uncle ay nagko-concert din po sa kabila. Akala ko sasali siya sa akin dito. Kumakanta po siya doon. Iba-iba po kasi kami ng song choices. On? Pakinggan pa rin yung ang aking uncle. Napakaganda pa rin ng yun ba, boses niya. He is already 68 years old. Pero napakaganda pa rin po ng boses. Sana pag ako umabot ng 68, makakaganda pa rin ako ng ganyan kaganda yung boses. Inaano ko na lang, in-enjoy ko na lang po itong boses ko habang kaya ko pang kumanta. Kasi alam ko naman na nag-decline po. With age, also comes decline. Ganyan naman talaga ang buhay. So habang kaya ko mang kumanta, kakanta po ako. I'm keeping my page primarily for the purpose of really keeping memories of what I am able to do. Kasi hindi ko lahat kaya yung ginagawa ko. So, kung halimbawa, hindi ko na kayang kumanta, so meron akong page na babalikan na kaya ko pala ito dati. Ngayon hindi na. Ganon. Yung mga apo ko, in the future, kung gusto nilang pakinggan yung mga kanta ko, mapapakinggan pa ng aking mga apo yung mga kanta yon. So, yun lang, if I have to leave a legacy behind, yung pwede naman na may pagmalaki ng aking mga apo in the future. So, kaya ingat na ingat po ako sa kung ano ang mga ina-upload ko. Because, ha? Akong anak ba kay gamention ko direk ako padungog-dungog na magutong ako, nireklamo siya kaya pa daw siya Paris. She's actually already 26. Pero ipanuroy tingali ni nako aron ni mahalin. Yes, of course, Sir Cesar Aquino, pwede po i-share. Nakikisuyo nga po ako na baka pwede po i-share yung live ko. Para po maabot ko po yung 60K watch hours sa live. Kasi, ilang taon na ba? 2017 to 2024. Ilang taon na itong aking page. Hindi pa po ako monetized sa live. So, ito yung pinagsisikapan ko pong makuha yung monetization sa live habang bakasyon pa po. Para tuloy-tuloy ko po siyang papaakyat. Kasi dati nga, umabot na ako ng 40,000 watch hours sa views. Ito kasi yung mahirap Kahit marami kang followers, hindi yung followers yung nagpapaano sa'yo. It's actually the views. Kahit marami kang followers, kung wala namang nanonood, so walay pa din. Ayun. Umabot na sana ako ng 40K, tapos ilang buwan ko din na hindi ako nakapag-live ulit. So, ang nangyari po, bumalik ko siya sa zero. Kaya, ayun, simula ko ulit. Ngayon, I'm already halfway. I'm already at 36K. So, sana in 1 week or 2 weeks, makuha ko na siya habang hindi pa po nagsisimula ang klase. Yan. Magdadaldal muna ako ngayon kasi kapag kumakanta nga po ako, hindi ako nakakasustain ng nota. Kapag medyo doon sa dulo, dapat nating i-prolong. Ito yung tinatawag nilang sustain. Hindi ko nasusustain yung nota kasi parang yung hangin hanggang dito na lang. Ito po ang epekto ng allergies. Ma'am Marilo Baldos, hello! Oscar Visitasyon, ala kalami sa Linson, sir. Kung ano ako asar ganing, panit rajoy ako ang dami mga magagandang kanta na nakikita ko dito. The problem is, hindi ko ito makakanta ngayon. Dahil talagang wala sa ayos ang aking boses. May sarili siyang mundo sa gabing ito. Ito. Nakahanap ulit ako ng isang kanta na parang suwak sa aking Ma'am Marilo Balcos from Bukidongan, Hagin. Ocean Deep. A little love is all I ask, and that is all. Ooh, love, I've been searching so long. I've been searching high and low. A little love is all I ask. A little sadness when you go. Maybe you'll need a friend. Only please don't let's pretend. A little love is all I ask, and that is all. I wanna spread my wings, but I just can't fly. As a string of birds, the pretty boys go sailing by. Ocean deep, I'm so afraid to show my feelings. I have sailed a million sea lanes, solitary room, ocean deep. Will I ever find a lover? Maybe he's found another. And as I cry myself to sleep, I know this love of mine I'll keep. Ocean deep. Now, can you hear when I call? Can you hear the word I say? A little love is all I ask. A little feeling when we touch. Why am I still alone? I've got a heart without a home. A little love is all I ask, and that is all. I wanna spread my wings, but I just can't fly. As a string of birds, the pretty boys go sailing by. Ocean deep, I'm so afraid to show my feelings. I have sailed a million sea lanes, solitary room, ocean deep. Will I ever find a lover? Maybe he has found another. And as I cry myself to sleep, I know this love of mine I'll keep. Ocean deep, I'm so lonely, lonely, lonely. Ocean deep. Magbabasa po tayo ng comments. Watching from Isabela, Rosaline Elombaring Satuan, Jimmy Jaime Alicaway, thank you so much for watching, sir. Maraming pong salamat. Maxine De La Cruz, good evening po. Sir Cesar Aquino. Yes, natubig. Siguro dahil na po sa malamig na tubig. Sa akin kasi, kapag ako ay umiinom ng malamig na tubig, wala naman akong nararamdaman sa lalamunan, sir. Allergic reaction lang talaga yung dahilan kung bakit ako na medyo sumisemplang tong boses ko. Pero yung napapansin ko kasi, nasal po ang labas ng boses ko. Parang dito po sa ilong dumadaan yung boses. Kaya hindi din ako uminom ng malamig na tubig. Ito. You decorated my life. Sis Bel, ramdam ko kasi yung yung strain. Jason Kabiling, hello. Hi, this is Helen Gregorio Quiniones. All my life was a paper, once like pure and white, till you move with your pen, changing moods now and then, till the balance was right. Then you added some music, every note was in place, and anybody could see all the changes in me by the look on my face. And you decorated my life, created a world where dreams are apart, and you decorated my life by painting your love all over my heart. You decorated my life. Like a rhyme with no reason, and an unfinished song. There was no harmony, life meant nothing to me until you came along, and you brought out the colors. What a gentle surprise. Now I'm able to see all the things life can be, shining soft in your eyes. And you decorated my life, created a world where dreams are apart, and you decorated my life by painting your love all over my heart. Decorated my life, created a world where dreams are apart, and you decorated my life by painting your love all over my heart. You decorated my life. Minsan sinasadya ko po talaga ilayo yung tono sa sa original para hindi masyadong hindi masyadong mahuli sa copyright. Binabago ko minsan. Okay. another Kenny Rogers.
Video okay, lovers.
Video, okay. As you lay sleeping, I stay out late at night to play my songs. And sometimes all the nights can be so long. And it's good when I finally make it home. All alone. She lays dreaming. I try to get rest without the light. Quietly she says, how was your night? And I come to her and say, it was alright. And over time. And she believes in me. I'll never know just what she sees in me. I told her someday if she was my girl, I could change the world with my little son's arms around. But she has faith in me, and so I go on trying faithfully. And who knows, maybe on some special night, if my song is right, I will find a way. While she lays waiting, I stumble to the kitchen far away. Then I see my old guitar in the night, just waiting for me like a secret friend. And there's no end. Though she lays crying, I fumble with a melody or two. Then I'm torn between the things that I should do. Then she says to wake her up when I'm through. Love is true. She believes in me. I'll never know just what she sees in me. I told her someday if she was my girl, I could change the world with my little songs. I was wrong, but she has. And so I go on trying faithfully. And who knows, maybe on some special night, if my song is right, I will find a way while she lays, while she waits. Kanila kita kami memorize, malis grasya dyan ang dugay giyabaw. Hi! Thank you so much for watching tonight. Sana po abangan niyo ako bukas. Sana hindi na po mawawala na po itong sa lalamunan para makabirit na po tayo bukas. Hindi nyo lang po napapansin pero nadadala po ng vocal control. Nadidisiplina pa po pero